In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Forms you filled out and submitted. If you've ever needed to revisit a form you submitted, whether to confirm your responses or for any other reason, you'll find this guide particularly useful. This process will only take a few minutes of your time, and by the end, you'll have all the information you need at your fingertips. To begin, we're going to start by heading over to Google Drive. Before anything else, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you used when you initially filled out the form. If you're not already logged in, just take a moment to enter your credentials and access your Google Drive. Once you're in, you will notice the familiar layout of your drive. It's where you can store all your files and documents, but today we're focusing on forms. Now look for the apps icon situated in the upper right-hand corner of your Google Drive interface. You might see 9 small squares arranged in a grid. Clicking on this icon will bring up a list of Google apps available to you. From this list, you'll want to navigate to Google Forms. If you don't see it right away, you can always type Forms into the search bar to find it quicker. Once you've opened Google Forms, you'll find yourself looking at a list of forms you've interacted with in the past, which includes those forms you've previously filled out. Take a moment to browse through this list to locate the specific form you need. Remember to double-check the title to ensure it's the correct one, especially if you've completed multiple forms on similar subjects. It's easy to mix them up. After you identify and select the correct form, you will be directed to the main form view. Here's where the fun part begins. Look for a tab labeled Responses. Typically, this tab will be located at the top of the page. It's pretty easy to spot, so don't worry about missing it. Click on the Responses tab, and just like that, you will immediately see a summary of all responses that have been submitted for this particular form. What's really cool is that for some forms, you'll also have the ability to view individual responses, including your own. This can be super helpful when you need to verify the details of your submission or double-check the information you entered. However, keep in mind that the ability to see responses can depend on the settings that the form creator has chosen. Some forms may not allow you to view individual submissions or might require the creator's permission to do so. If you find yourself unable to view your submission, don't hesitate to reach out to the form owner. They can assist you in accessing your responses, ensuring you have all the info you need. And there you have it. That's a straightforward way to check Google Forms you've submitted. This process is incredibly useful for keeping track of your information, especially when you're dealing with important submissions, such as feedback forms, surveys, or applications. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and while you're at it, feel free to explore the other features available in Google Forms. They offer a variety of tools designed to make managing your data even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.